let us begin our class. Yesterday we completed 3 questions and today we are going to do the next 3 questions. Question number 4 I written here, and now listen the question. John got a prize of rupees 75,000 in a TV contest. He paid 1/10 of the prize as the income tax. Out of the remaining, he gave 1/3 to his son, 1/5 to his daughter, and 1/10 to the Red Cross Society, and the rest to his wife. What portion of the prize did John's wife get, and how much? Here we have to find out the share of John's wife and the fraction of John's wife. How much money she got in fraction? Both answer you have to find out. And this question, total prize money is given 75,000, and from this 75,000 prize money he paid 1/10 rupees as income tax. So first you have to find the money paid as income tax, that is 1/10 multiplied by 75,000. That is income tax. After getting income tax, you have to find the remaining money. Remaining money means 75,000 minus income tax. Then after finding out the remaining money, you have to find out the share of his son. Share of his son means 1/3 multiplied by remaining money. You have to find the share of his daughter, that is 1/5 multiplied by remaining money, and the money given to Red Cross Society, that is 1/10 multiplied by the remaining money. After finding out the share of these three, you have to find the share of his wife, that is the remaining money he given to his wife. So after getting these three answers, you have to add the three amount, that is share of son plus share of his daughter and the money given to Red Cross Society. This three amount you have to add. From after adding, you have to subtract this sum from the remaining money. That will be his wife's share. After getting wife's share, you have to find the portion of the price. Portion means fraction you have to find out. Fraction means the share of wife upon prize money. Prize money is 75,000. So after doing this, you will get both answers. Now see the solution of that question. First we are writing the prize money. Prize money was rupees 75,000. And from this 75,000, in the question it is given that 1/10 is given as income tax. So we are finding the income tax money. Money paid as income tax. Money paid as income tax is equal to 1/10 of 75,000. By solving this 0 you can cancel, and the remaining is 7,500. So the 7,500 rupees he paid as income tax. After finding the income tax money, you have to find the remaining money, that we are finding here. Remaining money. For getting remaining money, prize money minus income tax you have to do. That is 75,000 is the prize money minus income tax, that is 7,500. And after subtracting this, you will get 67,500 rupees. 67,500. So here we find out two answers. Income tax, how much he paid, that is 7,500. After that we find out the remaining money. Remaining money is 67,500. After finding the remaining money, you have to find out the money given to his son. That we are finding now. Money given to his son. He given 1/3 of the remaining money to his son, that is 1/3 multiplied by 67,500. 67,500 is the remaining money. So here you can cancel this 67,500 by 3. Here 1 and 2, 3 2s are 6, again 2 3s are 6, here 15, 5 3s are 15, and now 2 zeros. So the money given to his son is rupees 22,500. Now we have to find the money given to his daughter. Money, how much money he given to his daughter. In the question, it is given that he given 1/5 to his daughter. That is 1/5 into the remaining money. That is 67,500. Here also we can cancel this. Here 1 and 5 ones are 5 and it is 17. 5 3s are 15. Now it is 25. 5 5s are 25. Now these 2 zeros. So he given 13,500 rupees to his daughter. Now we are finding how much money he given to Red Cross Society. Given to Red Cross Society. It is given in the question, he given 1/10 to Red Cross Society. That is 1/10 into the remaining 67,500. Here this 0 you can cancel. The remaining is 6,750. That means he given 6,750 rupees to the Red Cross Society. So in this we find out 3 answers. Money given to his son. Money given to his son is 22,500 and money given to his daughter is rupees 13,500 and he given to Red Cross Society is rupees 6,750. So we find out the money given to his son and given to his daughter and given to Red Cross Society. Now we will find how much money he given to his wife. For getting that answer, 67,500 is the money remaining minus given to his son, given to his daughter and given to Red Cross Society. So you have to add these 3 numbers together and this addition answer should be subtracted from 67,500. So the step will come like this way, 67,500 minus, after adding this you will get a 0 here. After adding these 3 numbers you will get 42,750. Then you have to subtract this 67,500 minus 42,750. After subtracting, your answer is rupees 24,750. That means this 24,750 rupees he given to his wife. So first answer we find out. Then one more part is given. You have to find the fraction of money given to his wife. That we are finding now. Portion or fraction of money given. Fraction of money given to his wife. His wife's share is 24,750. In the question it is asked what portion of the price did John's wife got. So here for getting the fraction, the money she got, that is 24,750 upon the price money. Price money was 75,000 upon 75,000. So here you got the fraction, but it is not in lowest term. So you have to reduce this in the lowest term also. Here we are cancelling this 0 0 we cancel, and you already know how to cancel a fraction. For cancelling the fraction, 2 methods you know. By prime factorization method, or you can find the HCF, that you already know and I explained also, you done some questions also like that. So here after finding the prime factors or finding the HCF, the highest common factor of this number is 75. That I am taking here directly. You can divide this number by 75. So 2475 divided by 75, you will get 33. And 7,500 divided by 75, you will get 100. So the fraction of money given to his wife is 33 upon 100. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 5. A shopkeeper has a stock of 140 kg of wheat. In the 4 weeks, he sells 20 1/2 kg, 25 3/4 kg, 26 1/2 kg and 47 1/4 kg respectively. How much wheat and what portion of the stock does he sell? This is the question given. So in this question, total weight of the wheat is given 140 kg. And in the 4 weeks, how much wheat he sold, that is also given. And you have to find out how much wheat he sold. Total in 4 weeks, how much wheat he sold, you have to find out. At the same time, you have to find out the portion of the stock he sold. These two you have to find out. Now see the solution. In the question, total wheat is given. That we are writing total wheat. It is given 140 kg. Now we are finding wheat sold. Wheat sold in 4 weeks. It is given that in first week it is sold 21/2 kg. Plus in the second week it is sold 25 3/4 kg, and in the third week it is sold 26 1/2 kg, and in the fourth week it is sold 47 1/4 kg. This is the weight of wheat sold in 4 weeks. So for finding total wheat sold, we have to add this fraction. All the 4 fractions given in mixed form. So first you have to convert this mixed into improper. So 21/2 means 20 into 2 40, 40 plus 1 41. 41 upon 2 plus next one 25 into 4 100, 100 plus 3 100. So 25 3/4 means 25 into 4 100, 100 plus 3 103 upon 4 plus 26 1/2, 26 into 2 52 plus 1 53 upon 2 plus here 47 1/4 means 47 into 4 188 plus 1 189 upon 4. So now we change all the 4 mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now you have to find the LCM of the denominators. Denominators are 2 and 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, that we taken here. Now we have to change the numerator also. 41 upon 2, and here 41 should be multiplied by 2 because 2 2s are 4. So 41 into 2 it is 82 plus 103. Denominator 4, LCM also 4. So this numerator will not change. It is 103 only. Plus here 53 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 53 into 2 106. Plus next one 189. It is also not changing. Denominator and LCM same. So here we change the numerator. Now you have to add the numerators together. After adding, see here 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 2 20, 2 remainder, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 8 18, 1 remainder, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 480. After adding the numerator you got 480 and your denominator is 4. 480 upon 4. Now you can reduce. Here you can do the division directly. 480 you can divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 1, 8 divided by 4 2, and 0 divided by 4 0. That means you got the answer. Wheat sold is 120 kilogram. After getting the first part, that is total wheat sold 120 kilogram you got. Now you have to find the fraction of wheat sold or portion of wheat sold. Portion of wheat sold is equal to how much wheat sold, that is 120, and total stock it was 140. 0 and 0 cancelled. Now 12 and 14 you can divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 6 and 14 divided by 2 7. So the portion of wheat sold is 6 upon 7. Now this is your 6th question. Rajesh had a packet of 20 sketch pens. He gave 12 to Krishna and 6 to Meena. What fraction of the packet did he give to Krishna and Meena? What fraction of the packet was left with him? Here 3 answers you have to find out. First one, what fraction of the packet he gave to Krishna? You have to find out what fraction of the packet he gave to Krishna and what fraction give to Meena. And also you have to find the fraction of packet left with him. So here in this question, total sketch pen is given 20 and how many pens given to Krishna? It is given 12. So for getting the fraction of pen given to Krishna, 12 upon 20 you have to do. 12 upon 20, then you have to reduce the fraction also. Same way for getting the fraction given to Meena. Meena got 6 pence. So you have to do 6 upon 20. That fraction also you have to reduce. So both answer you got. Then for getting the fraction of the packet left with him. First of all you have to find out the pence left with him. For finding the pence left with him, 20 minus 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. 20 minus 18, 2. So for getting the fraction of pence left with him, 2 upon 20. Then reduce that fraction. So this way you have to solve this question yourself in the notebook. So today you have to do total 3 questions. Question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, bye.